What are you doing?
Watching you play Skyrim.
No, you're not. You're looking at me.
Yeah, I'm watching you play Skyrim. It makes me need to pee.
Wait, you're going to pee?
Yeah, dude.
Don't pee on my soap.
What?
Don't pee on my soap.
What are you talking about?
You pee on people's soap.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do. You want me to call Craig?
Who?
Craig Vogel, your best friend. You lived with him. You peed on his soap.
Good one, dude. I'm going to pee.
Don't do it.
Do what?
Fuck.
Don't be on the soap. 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 Don't be on the soap.
Did you say something?
No.
Don't be on the soap. 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 Don't be on the soap.
Ah, God damn it.
God damn it, Billy.